My ship total crew is 19, 7 officers and 12 ratings. As you are saying, the situation happened starting from 15 August. Continuously, this rough weather is continuously happening in this area. At the time, all the starboard side starting listing, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, like that. After what I decide to make ballast. This list is coming to starboard side, I make ballast to port side. One starboard, I feed water to one port. At that time the ship come a little upright. Again, 16 night time, again the ship is too much to starboard side. Why like this coming? Again we trying to deballast from starboard side, but increase of water and what we are deballast is not matching. Continuously, this everything is also we are informed to concerned our officials. At the final, around 11 o'clock, like that, I decide to abandon the ship and to save my crew. Automatically, we prepare our lifeboat and we disembark 17 crew first, 2 crew remaining taken by Indian Coast Guard and other ships. And after that we maneuver from left from that ship, and automatically this Indian Coast Guard also comes to us, and thanks to God and thanks for Indian Coast Guard this ship, everything is saved. Crew now in normal condition. Medically, some crew maybe have some medication treatment required. Unless and otherwise, all my crew is safe. What about the ship? After we are disembark, the ship automatically sank. Meaning, my decision is correct. If I stay maybe little amount time, maybe I lost my crew. That is the situation what I want to talk.
और फगान न्यूज़ से आ रहे थे, न्यू मैंगलोर पोर्ट के लिए जा रहे थे.
10:45 hours, we received an intimation from our regional headquarters that MT part is about to sink. So we were on a routine deployment. Ship was diverted to proceed with max speed to reach the datum. We reached around 1400 hours and we saw MT part totally sunk. And there was one more ship, MT Khalid, which was assisting the rescue operation and embarked 2 of the crew of this vessel. Other 17 crew were on board another rescue vessel, which was adrift due to machinery failure. So ship shaped course towards this rescue boat and embarked all the 17 crew on board. Other search and rescue units included ICGS Apurva and one ALHX Ratnagiri, which also assisted in the rescue of the merchant vessel's crew. The vessel was supposed to proceed to Mangalore. However, due to inclemency, she could not proceed at max speed and started listing due to flooding in one of the ballast compartment. Due to inclemency, the vessel further listed to starboard and most of the cargo which she was carrying started listing towards the ballast compartment. At one point of time, the master considered that it is not safe to remain on board and he abandoned the crew from the vessel. 2 of the crew jumped overboard because they could not embark the boat, and the 2 crew were rescued by the Mohammed bin Khalid rescue boat, and balance crew was rescued by us.
Thank you.